Health Secretary Wes Streeting faced backlash following his appearance on BBC Breakfast, where he discussed the looming 5-day strike by junior doctors in England over pay. The Labour MP acknowledged the gravity of the situation but admitted limitations in how far the government could go on pay negotiations. Speaking on the programme, Streeting said, "I hope that we can break this impasse. I hope that we can move forward together. On pay, I can't go further than we already have, because the public can see that we've already gone a considerable distance." He highlighted the role of the independent pay review body, stating that its recommendations had already favored resident doctors and contributed to the current pay offers. "The process has delivered real results, alongside the decisions I've taken." However, his remarks were met with sharp criticism from viewers and political commentators alike. One social media user mocked, "He should be wearing water wings, he's so far out of his depth." Another added, "He must have a final number in mind. What is it?" A third expressed frustration at his negotiation strategy. "Sadly, I don't think Wes knows what he's doing, showing his cards before the talks even begin." The strike is definitely going ahead. Streeting has also warned that continued strike action would play into the hands of political opponents, particularly Reform UK's Nigel Farage. Addressing Labour MPs earlier this week, he stated, "The BMA's threats are unnecessary, unreasonable, and unfair. More than that, these strikes would be a gift to Nigel Farage, just as we are beginning to cut waiting lists and get the NHS moving in the right direction." He continued, "What better recruitment tool could there be for Farage's populist campaign against a publicly funded NHS? He is praying if Labour fails, he will use it as proof that the NHS doesn't work and argue it must be replaced by a private insurance-style model." Streeting emphasised the stakes of the current situation. "We are in the fight for the survival of the NHS, and it's a fight I have no intention of losing." As tensions rise and talks remain uncertain, all eyes are now on how the government will navigate the standoff with junior doctors, and whether Streeting can recover public confidence amid growing scrutiny.